We guide you through how to open a Skrill account. Start by downloading the Skrill app from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, or visit the official Skrill website using your browser. Tap Sign Up or Create Account, then enter your first and last name, email address, and create a strong password. Select your country of residence and choose your preferred currency. Then agree to the terms and continue. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Skrill and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once verified, sign in and complete your profile by providing your date of birth, address, and a phone number if requested, depending on your country. Skrill may also ask you to verify your identity by uploading a valid government-issued ID and, in some cases, proof of address. After your account is fully verified, you can add a payment method such as bank account, debit card, or a credit card to fund your balance, send money, receive payments, or make online purchases.